As a result of the outbreak, your city or entire region may be endangered by a lethal alien.
Yeah, dead or alive, I'll be one of the best. No sleep vibe, I don't get no rest. You come for the tribe, we come for your head. No revive, it'll be no test. Been underrated, underpaid, and I still do tours. I still do more than half of the people you track in the door. And all of my music is real. But yeah, they want the headshots, hollow points and red dots. Murder everything, no shame in the game. They'll even make the dead walk. Bitch, I'm not a rap god. Only make tracks that I snap on. All my life is stepped on, but not anymore. Got red dots and headshots. Just said aquatic, I'm sending the speed. Now there's no stopping, it's breaking the scene. Word of my brothers and word of my team. Yeah, you know we're better eat. Every new album, it feels like the best. And every new outlet, I outpace the rest. You cannot compare, it'll be sudden death. If I die, then it's about to be an outbreak. We outpace all the fakes. They seeking salvation for the trash they're making. So get information. Never sell my soul. Love for the game, but I really wanna go. I'm sick of this. Said to all the fakes, about to be an outbreak.
Yeah, everybody wanna be friends. When I break out, it's an outbreak. I live my life like a highlight reel. Had to take out every single outtake. Everybody wanna act fake now, they can fake that. What they really tryna outfake? They gon' post a picture on the gram like the man, and they open to the comments, so they gonna see his clown face. Bitch, I'm coming from the heart, coming for your part, running in the dark, in the red like an oven when it starts. Comfortable in darkness, too much job made me car sick. I was starving a bar.